Hello dear student, welcome back for Unit 3, Lesson 2 for another subject which is Present Perfect Continuous. So let's see what is Present Perfect Continuous. First of all, we have the use. The Present Perfect Continuous tense show that something started in the past and is continuing at the present time. So it means that something in the past that happened and still now it has continuous, or the action is still going. We can recognize present perfect continuous by one of the following adjectives. Okay, so we can recognize a sentence by one of the following adjectives. For example, for and since, for knowing the duration of the time. When we have for and since in the sentence, we know that this sentence is present perfect continuous. Or 4 days now, 4 days now, or now. These are also an adjective that we can say that when it is in the sentence, it is a present perfect continuous. How long? For asking about the time. Okay, now we have the forms of present perfect continuous. First of all, we have positive. We have subject plus have or has according to the subject, plus been, plus verb ing, plus complement. So the general rule for present perfect continuous in positive is subject at the beginning, have and has, plus been, plus verb ing, plus complement. For negative, we have subject plus haven't or hasn't, plus been, plus verb ing, plus complement. For question, have and has at the beginning, okay, now, and after that we have subject followed by been and verb ing and also complement. At the end is question mark. We have WH questions, so the WH question word, it comes at the beginning. After that, it's followed by have or has, plus subject, plus verb ing, plus complement, and also question mark. So these are the rules of, or the forms of present perfect continuous in positive, negative, and question. Now we have some examples. He played tennis for 5 hours. So it says change to present perfect continuous. So it became he has been playing tennis for 5 hours. As you see, we have he, which is the subject as the beginning, followed by has. Why I use has? Because the subject is he, and also we said with he or she or it or a name we use has. And after that been, which is shown in the form, and after that play, which is the verb, and it should be became verb ing and became playing tennis for 5 hours, which is the complement. And for is used for duration of the time. How long worked she in the garden? How long worked she in the garden? It became how long has she been working in the garden? Because we have how long, it means that this sentence should change into a question. And because we have WH question, which is how long, so we use the WH word question form, so it became how long has she been working in the garden? They not be in school since 2017. So it says because we have not, this sentence became negative, so it became they haven't been in school since 2017. Okay, with they we have to use have, and because it asked to change to negative, it became haven't. They haven't been in school since 2012. 2017, sorry. Another example that we have, you use my car again. You use my car again. This sentence is asked to be question, just question without WH questions. So it became, have you been using my car again? Have you been using my car again? So we have use, which is the verb, and became using. Okay, so we just add ing, and we have to remove e to the use, because when we have e at the end of the word, we should remove it. So the sentence became, have you been using my car again? Another example that we have, how long you know Gary? How long you know Gary? So it asked to change to present continuous, present perfect continuous. It became, how long have you been knowing Gary? How long have you been knowing Gary? If you just look at the sentence, it's just simply we add been after the subject, and also we have to change the verb to the verb ing. So this subject is very easy and it's very simple. Now we have the summary of this lesson. So we have to look at again what is the present perfect continuous and what is the rules. We use the present perfect or present perfect continuous tense to talk about things where there is a connection between the past and the present. This is the general rule of present perfect continuous: subject plus have or has plus been plus verb ing and complement. For example, she has been writing emails for 3 hours. She has been writing emails for 3 hours. If you look at the sentence and the form, they have the same connection with each other. We have subject at the beginning, and after that has. Also we have been, and writing, which is the verb ing. Emails for 3 hours is the complement. This is all about present perfect continuous. I hope you understand very well. Thank you very much.